Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to be making Chipotle Lime Chicken. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 pound of chicken breast, 2 key limes or 1 lime, a 1/4 cup of Chipotle sauce, a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of chopped cilantro, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a teaspoon of cumin, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We'll start by chopping our cilantro until we have roughly 1 tablespoon. Then we'll zest our lime until we have about a teaspoon of lime zest, and then juice it. We'll add our tablespoon of cilantro and teaspoon of lime zest to our lime juice, and whisk in a 1/4 cup of our chipotle sauce, tablespoon of honey, tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then we'll put our chicken breast in a Ziploc bag, add half of our marinade, squeeze out as much air as possible, and marinate our chicken breast in the fridge for at least 4 hours, up to overnight. After marinating our chicken, we'll remove it from the refrigerator and allow it to come up to room temperature. Then we'll heat a pan on the stovetop over medium heat. Once heated, we'll place our boneless chicken breast in the pan and allow it to cook until cooked through, about 6 to 8 minutes per side. Once cooked, we'll remove our chicken from the pan and allow it to rest. While the chicken is resting, we'll mix together the remaining half of our marinade with our 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and cook it while stirring until it's thickened up, about a minute. If you'd like, you can shred your chicken and stir it into the sauce for taco meat, but I'll be slicing mine and serving it over cilantro lime rice with the sauce drizzled over it. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.